Alright, so we're at Lackland here in San Antonio, Texas. I'm just walking around in the base. They have the airplanes from back in the day. It's freaking hot. So I'm gonna try to do this as quick as possible. I still have to walk all of that. So see how that works out. Oh, what was that one? It's thunder something. Here's that one. I wonder why they painted them. There's a mammoth right there. This is Canberra. This huge one is that's huge, man. I mean, huge. I don't even know the name of this one. Let's see. That is huge, my God. Okay, this is a statual fortress. I don't know. It's huge. Like, seriously. Huge. Okay. Let's continue. Those right there, those buildings, those are like training. Yeah, for the soldiers and stuff. I have a class here, so I have time to spare. So why not walk around? Here in San Antonio, Texas, super hot. Weather's like, what's the weather here? Freaking probably like 100. And we're in November 2012. So, you can imagine. There's another one. And this is called the Super Subway. I don't know. Super Subway. I just hope I don't get a ticket where I park because they're super strict here. Fuck. Alright. There's a helicopter. Man, that looks old. And that is called what is it? Iroquois? Who come up with these names? Honestly. That's cute though. Iroquois. I just want to get out of here because I don't want to get a ticket. But I freaking love airplanes, so I wonder how am I going to get out of here? Shit. Okay. Alright, so there's that one. I love airplanes. Like, I live behind the base, kinda. And I can always hear the airplanes landing and whatnot. So, alright, so this is a Phantom 2. Has little teeth. It's cute. We're almost done. People are walking. That's the integrity service excellence. I was gonna say challenge. That's not even a word, but okay. I'm just tired. And then sexy soldiers driving everywhere. Gosh. Okay, there's that one. I always wondered why the pointy stuff is not in the middle. And this is called the destroyer. So yeah, it's not in the middle. Oh well, I'm sure it has its reasons why he's not in the middle. It's little ones. I don't think I would even fit on that one. I'm a big girl. It feels nice. Big airplane. Here's that little one. It's called what? The dragonfly. Cessna dragonfly. It's little. There it is. Okay. Be cute. I wouldn't fit on you though. Fuck, it's hot. I'm sweating like a bitch. Hi. And this is the last one. This is called what is this called? Freedom fighter, I guess. Freedom fighter. It's little. I wouldn't fit there. Alright, well that's it. Walking back to my car over there. So this was in Lackland, San Antonio, Texas, November 2012. Bye.